The correct care and maintenance of your equipment is important for long-term therapy success. Your mask components should be disassembled and washed regularly. Some items need washing daily, others weekly. It is recommended you use soap and warm water. Rinse all parts with fresh water after washing to ensure all soap residue is removed. Do not clean any items in your dishwasher. To prepare for washing, unhook the headgear clips from the mask frame. Slide the 4 hair straps downwards from the top of the mask frame. Remove the swivel from the elbow. Do not remove the ball and socket elbow from the mask frame. Remove the roll fit seal attachment from the easy frame. The correct care and maintenance of your equipment is important for long-term therapy success. After every use, you should wash your mask frame assembly, roll fit seal and swivel connector in warm soapy water. Once a week, you should also wash your headgear in warm soapy water. Do not soak parts for longer than 10 minutes. Do not clean any items in your dishwasher. After rinsing, all items should be allowed to dry out of direct sunlight.